welcome back. You're watching The Money Show with me, Kavita Thaplia. There are a plethora of funds available in the market to invest your hard-earned money in. But how do you assess which is the right fund for your portfolio? What are the criteria that one should look at? To help you navigate through this maze, today we have Amol Joshi, founder, Plan Rupee Investment Services. Also, do not forget to send us your portfolio queries on our WhatsApp number, which is 865-797-4571. You can also email us your queries on themoneyShow@etnow.tv. Hi, good evening, Amol. Welcome to The Money Show. And we have our first viewer online, Amit Roy. Amit, hi, good evening. Thank you so much for sending us your question. All right, so you are a long-term investor, 15 years of investment duration, total corpus that you want to accumulate is somewhere around 5 crores. And you have HDFC Nifty 50 Index, Parag Parikh Flexi Cap, PGM India, Mid Cap Opportunity, Quant Small Cap, SBI Gold Fund, PPF. You're investing 12,500 per month, which is yearly 1.5 lakh. Okay, apart from that, you have your emergency and fund done up for yourself. You've had 65% is in equity, debt is 30%, and gold is 5%. You've done the exposure counting as well. Okay, so now are you willing to increase your investment amount?
Hello, am I audible?
Yeah, you are.
Yeah, thank you. So currently my investment amount total per month is around 62.5 thousand. And currently I'm not willing to increase that amount right now in this financial year at least. So maybe in the next financial year I'll increase by say 5 to 10%. So my question is basically for the as I said in my question that my goal is long-term wealth creation, and I'm looking at a horizon of at least 12 to 15 years, and in that horizon I'm trying to accumulate at least 5 years, so that my goal is early retirement and financial independence, and I'm trying to achieve that. So I just wanted to know that whether I'm on the right track in terms of the mutual funds that I've selected, in terms of the type of investments.
Who helped you in selecting these mutual funds? You have a financial...
Actually, no, there is no paid financial advisor for me. I have researched online and watched ETNow and other channels, and by that way I selected those funds.
All right. Thank you so much for your question, Amit. Amol, over to you. How are these funds?
Right. Kavita, as you mentioned, Amit had sent all the details. It is almost like a case study. I will try to address most of the points that he has asked us or questions. Amit, since you're listening, first of all, congratulations. You are doing a commendable job of saving almost 55 to 60% of your salary. That is an excellent savings rate. Number one. Out of the 62,500 amount monthly investment that you mentioned, let's divide it in two parts. Out of this 62.5, 40,000 rupees is going into equity mutual fund portfolio. If this portfolio grows at the rate of 15% per annum, at the rate of 12% per annum over next 15 years, the portfolio itself will be worth rupees 5.5 crores, 5 crores 55 lakhs. So this very well takes care of your financial goal. You have also done the asset allocation, Kavita, as you rightly mentioned. Amit is also investing into gold, PPF, NPS, etc., etc. If I take the additional 22,500, and if this corpus grows at the rate of modest 7 to 8% per annum over next 15 years, you will be able to create another 3.5 crore rupees out of this. So Amit, you are substantially you are very, very close to your achieving your goal, of course, over a period of 15 years. Coming very quickly to schemes, I would say since you have an extremely long-term horizon of 15 years, I would say that instead of having an exposure of almost 50 to 60% into large cap, you can probably shift some of that exposure during your annual rebalancing exercise to flexi cap and mid cap. Your existing funds are good enough. Do the annual rebalancing and review. Last but not the least, you have mentioned that you also have the EPF and that will continue. That also adds to your retirement corpus. You are well on your way of achieving all your targets. As you near your targets, since you are so very comfortable in terms of amount, as you draw close to your targets, I would suggest shifting of, let's say, 20%, 40% portfolio in one or two tranches from pure equity to equity hybrid asset class. Thereby, you will be able to manage risk around a significantly large corpus of something like a 5 crores.
That will be all, and I hope, Amit, you've got the solution for your portfolio. And with that, we are done with the timing for today on the show today as well, Amol. Thank you so much for being on the show and helping our viewers with their portfolio queries. And before I sign off, I'm going to leave our viewers with our WhatsApp number and email ID where you can keep sending us your questions, and we will do your life financial planning. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.